We are lucky now to see them having their hobby or work done. And actually this is the place where the birds fly by and nest. That's why I think they gathered here. Hi, good morning guys. Today is Saturday morning and I need some walk and exercise and breathe some fresh air because every Monday to Friday is very stressful at work. So many things to do and so many things to design. So from time to time I need to relax and enjoy a nice fresh air and a good view. And here in Singapore at my place, just near, we can see a nice water, fresh air, seashore, some people fishing, walking. So come, let's go with me and enjoy the morning of Saturday. So what a great morning to walk here in Pasir Ris. The back of this area is the seashore and we can breathe some fresh air. Oh, there's a bird here because here they have mango. I don't know what kind of parrot is this, but they love the mango. That's why they come here. Look at guys, look at the tree. They are all mangoes, but nobody cared to pick it up. Not big tree, but a lot of mangoes. And look at the birds. There's a lot of birds here. That guy is, they're always cleaning the place. Somebody taking care of all the garbage. People are jogging. And all the birds are flying. Welcome to campsite area. You can have a camping here, but you need a permit. Everything that you do here in Singapore, sometimes you need a permit. Here you need to as permit step to apply for camping permit. You can use AXS and key in particular of all occupants, print out camping permit, and you can proceed to set up tent within designated campsite. Quite convenient. But I don't know if you're going to pay anything or what, but I think it's free, just to make sure that you are go to the rules. And they do fishing here also, guys. See, I don't know whether they catch something. They're having the camp. So look at the place, guys. It's so beautiful, very relaxing. It's only 8:30 in the morning, but the sun is so hot today. But even though it's nice to sit in this area, you look for a nice place to sit. And the trees are taken care of here in Singapore. Quite nice to have family here. So hear the birds and hear the sound of the water. Does that make you feel relaxed? Well, me too. Look at this. Because we are near to airport, there's a strict regulation here by law. You are low-flying aircraft nearby, so there's no parasailing, kite surfing, kite flying, flying of unwanted aircraft or drone, laser to the airplane. So by law, it's not allowed here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. See, people are cleaning the area, so that's why this place is so clean and beautiful. Look at this tree, guys. The root is out of the soil, but it's still surviving. Been here for a long time now. Still alive. See the roots. See the tree still growing. Beautiful. So we inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale. There are a lot of safety features here in order to save person from drowning. Are you water smart? So these are the things that you are going to do, and there's this safe feature. Moist grass. Let's sit for a while. Relax. Experience beautiful views. Sound of the birds. Smell of the grass. I love it. So if you feel stressed at work, try to find something place like this where you can find different kinds of birds and with this. Actually, this place, guys, is a beautiful place for photography. A lot of birds flying by here, and a lot of photographers look forward for this exciting experience to see a rare bird. So let's see what they're doing. I think they are a group of photographers eyeing on birds drop by. are lucky now to see them. I think we are lucky now to see them having their hobby or work done. And actually this is the place where the birds fly by and nest. That's why I think they gathered here to take a photo. And look at all the... There's one bird there. Seems like he wants to take a picture. Don't want to fly. Oh, I think there's a nest there. Oh yeah, there's a bird. This place, no wonder they are taking picture because there's a nest in that side. They're feeding the birds. Look at that. What a beautiful sight. No wonder they have a bench there. Hear the sound of the camera. So guys, that's an exciting days here in Pasir Ris Park. Seeing people taking photos of birds nesting, and what a lovely sight to see them with their beautiful cameras. See how big a camera they have. and I was fortunate to see them here because of the birds. So it's nice sometimes to walk and you can find something you never expect to find. So for this photography, they are good. I love this. Okay. So walking is the best thing to do in order to feel relaxed. Actually guys, this place is the Pasir Ris Park. It's a national park city of Pasir Ris. This is Pasir Ris Park, and we are going out. So guys, thank you for watching. That is the end of the walk. I'm going back now, and I'm walking now in a secret shortcut, and I already videoed this. If you want to see the link, you just so thank you for having time with me and exploring the Pasir Ris Park and experience something that you never experienced before. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel and like it, and see you around. God bless. See you.